How's it going, everyone? Gino here, coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing more work on my CELICA. The work I'm going to be doing requires me to polish the car. I'm going to be painting like all the little tiny accessories on the car. The headlight, not the headlights, one of the tail lights are loose. Just more of like maintenance things, like fixing little things up. What else do I have to do? Oh, I got hubcaps for the car. I mean, not the most coolest thing in the world, but at least you don't have to see an ugly... At least we're trying to make the car at least normal. I want it to be a race car someday, but, you know, just one step at a time, like just one stage at a time. So far we're just trying to revert it back to stock because we're actually a long ways off from being stock. I got like a rear windshield wiper, just like little stuff. I'm not going to be talking much until probably later in the episode because there's like a lot of work going on right now. Like people are cutting grass and stuff like that, and it's like super loud. I don't have really the best camera to record all that kind of stuff, so it's like really noisy, and plus nobody wants to hear me talk anyway. Nobody really cares. So yeah, let's get started on the car. So here I am, I'm laying down in the car, and yeah, just kidding, I'm just kidding. Actually, almost done butting the interior. Wow, this is really stained. What's the roof called? What's the roof thing called? Very stained headliner. Why is that on? Very stained headliner. Other than that though, most of the interior's back in. Oh damn. Ooh. Oh yeah, that looked pretty good. Oh, hey, hang on. Oh yeah, hang on. A little bit of glare, I'm just kidding, I don't do that. No, that's not me. The interior, almost back together, you know. It's not a race car yet. It doesn't make 150 horsepower. If it doesn't make 150 horsepower, it's not a race car. Well, I'm kidding. You can do what you want. Ooh. Hi. Did you want to say something? Oakley. Oakley. Come on. Come on. Oakley, come here. Come on. Come on. Jump up. Jump. Why do you ignore me? I love you. Yes, 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 yes. The love. Do you like the camera? No, he's camera shy. Oakley's a little camera shy. So, what some things you can be looking forward to in the next episode is I have a high performance thermostat. Not really high performance. It's just a different temperature. It is a Mishimoto 71 degrees Celsius thermostat. Is that Celsius? Yep. 71 degrees Celsius thermostat. It's pretty cool, you know. It thermostats. This is a Gates Racing timing belt. Very durable. This is like poly ribbed, butt ribbed, everything ribbed. Well, you could light this on fire and it wouldn't burn. Well, it might burn, but that's okay. This will definitely outlast the engine. What else did I get? I got receipts. That's always good. I got a water pump. I get to install that. I actually never opened it. So, here's the water pump. I opened it, and so it's really cool. So I have this really cool water pump, right? And like I have this custom gasket. It comes like, look, it comes custom broken. I mean, that's awesome. Like, I don't have to do any of it myself. It's already broken, so I don't have to do it by myself. Sick. Alright, so that just took hours out of the job. So, cool. But at least I got the water pump. So that's what matters. I got these temperature, these OBX hoses. Yes, they're a little ricey, they're blue, but they're actually very durable. And they do something. They're very tough and very heat resistant. So put that gasket. I got my valve cover gasket, which is again mangled. I don't know why, but you know, oh well. I don't know why they couldn't pack it straight, but they had to do it like that. It's never too late for some initial D. I'm back. It's been a couple days, so I'm only going to do a little work on the CELICA today. Weather kind of stinks. It's sunny out, but the ground is like super wet. There's like a little car show going on right now. It's a classic car show. It's starting to look like a normal car again-ish. SRTs on air ride.
She liked those, and then I showed her a picture of a 56 Thunderbird. She was like, I want that. I was like, yeah. I don't have to dream alone. We'll check that out.
I will.
Couldn't figure it out. My stereo got wet. I got the water in there, so it stayed in there, so every time I used to rain it.
Like this Camaro.
Let's see what something does for us. Let's use the lot of fun.
So it was just a small little show, like nothing too big. It's the first one this season. It started to drizzle a little, which kind of stinks. I hate Rhode Island. New England is just not fun. It's cold. It's already freaking May. It's May pretty much, and it's low 50s, not even, probably like high 40s, and it's just like cold and rainy. It stinks because not a lot of people brought their cars out, which was fine. I knew it was going to be a small show, but I got my little Honda compared to all the other American cars there. I really liked that Camaro that was there, the 80s one with the 305 in it. I've always had a thing for those because I've worked on them a lot, and I thought they were cool. Also, that 70s Celica I thought was like wicked cool. It was just a small little show, nothing too big, but I liked it. And since the weather stinks, I would do more work on the Celica. But like I said, I don't have a garage and I can't work on it because it's freaking raining and it stinks. And I want to work on it bad. I want to like undercoat it and like do cool stuff, but I can't. Whatever. I'll figure out a way. I promise to myself. I promise myself. I will move to Arizona if I have to. I will one day when I graduate college. I will move to Arizona, I swear. So, yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this little episode. It was kind of a mix between working on the Celica and going to the show. I'm going to do one of those famous YouTuber closeout intros. Ready?